Today, we're diving into a Thanksgiving favorite that's not just delicious, but incredibly nutritious: the sweet potato. This root vegetable doesn't just sweeten your holiday table, it brings a feast of health benefits. Long before it became a Thanksgiving staple, the sweet potato was nourishing people around the world. With its origins tracing back thousands of years, this life-giving plant has journeyed from ancient South American civilizations to become a beloved part of global cuisines. But it's not just the taste of the sweet potato that's made it a global favorite, it's their impressive nutritional profile. Let's dig into the science. A 2014 review in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlights the sweet potato's anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and anti-diabetic properties. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, sweet potatoes provide an astounding 90% of the nutrients per calorie most people need. They're a superior source of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Plus, they offer vitamin C, manganese, potassium, and dietary fiber. Sweet potatoes are allies for your heart, too. Their potassium content helps manage blood pressure, while fiber and antioxidants contribute to overall cardiovascular health. The sweet potato's natural colors are clues to its rich antioxidant content. Orange varieties are loaded with beta-carotene, while purple potatoes boast anthocyanins. Both antioxidants are key players in reducing risk of chronic disease and promoting overall well-being. Despite their sweetness, the fiber content of sweet potatoes results in a gentle impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them a smart choice for anyone managing diabetes or looking to maintain steady blood sugar. Plus, their fiber promotes a healthy digestive system, an especially welcome benefit during the tempting Thanksgiving season. For a cook, sweet potatoes are a dream. Their natural sweetness and texture allow for creativity in the kitchen, fitting perfectly into both sweet and savory dishes. And their adaptability ensures there's a sweet potato dish for every palate at your table. To maximize their health benefits, boiling sweet potatoes with their skin on is the way to go. This method preserves up to 92% of beta-carotene and enhances nutrient absorption. Pair them with a healthy fat like olive or avocado oil to further boost beta-carotene absorption. So as we gather around the Thanksgiving table, or at any time of the year, let's give thanks for the humble sweet potato, a true nutritional powerhouse that enriches our bodies and our traditions. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious dives into the foods we love.